I'm Wayne Perry, known as the TV Carpenter. So I'm a TV presenter and DIY expert on various TV shows like BBC Morning Live and Alan Titchmarsh Love Your Weekend. I bought this house about 8-9 months ago and I renovated it myself. It was an old 1930s house that the lady who was in it, and she'd lived in it all her life, her parents even bought the house. It had been well looked after, but needed majorly upgrading. I thought it would take 4 months to renovate. It took about 7 months, but we're in. We don't yet have a kitchen, but we're in the house though.
Wayne has been renovating this entire house and he has fitted one of our air source heat pumps to this house and put a new heating system in, which we think is very exciting, and we've come down to have a look.
So when we saw the house, even on the literature to buy the house, it said boiler is almost condemned in big bold writing, which I think kind of put people off, to be fair. Finding a trusted installer was key for us. And when I found Dale from Evolve Renewables, I instantly felt comfortable. I knew what he was talking about. He was here for at least 2 hours, sizing the space, checking what was needed, how it would work, what I needed to do to make it work efficiently. We've gone for underfloor heating downstairs. So the whole of downstairs has underfloor heating throughout and a new floor on top. But then in the bedrooms upstairs, we've gone for new radiators. We decided to upgrade the radiators, one because the old ones were ugly, but also we wanted them to be, sized correctly.
We decided on the Ideal Logic Air heat pump due to its noise values. It was one of the quietest heat pumps we could see available on the market. Being where it's located, we had to be conscious of that due to the neighbours, and the SCOP values. It was just a real incredibly efficient system. His main concern was, my wife can't be cold. I cannot let my wife be cold. I promised him and I assured him that won't happen. And it's been tested and proven that actually the heat that they've got is exactly what they're looking for.
Wayne has talked a lot about how he has taken a lot of advice from his installer as well. At Ideal, we really want to support those installers. We offer a lot of training, accredited installer training and product training. We also have things like our technical helpline. An installer can give us a call, they can get on a video call with us if they're installing the heat pump and they have a question. It's really important that we provide a lot of support, because at the end of the day, both us and the installer want the homeowner to have a good experience with their heat pump and to live happily with their heat pump.
Life with an air source heat pump is really simple. It's a new way of thinking. You don't just turn your heating on instantly if you want power straight away. It's almost like a slow burn, but it just means you never even have to think about it. It's all working in the background. Your house is working for you to make sure you and your family are comfortable. We just constantly walk around barefoot now, so it must be working.